We're here with a tutorial on funding your Binarium account using ERC20 Tether. Previously, you registered and verified your identity. Fund your account with ERC20 Tether by clicking Deposit, selecting Tether, and choosing the Ethereum ERC20 network. The deposit range is $10 to $10,000. Enter your amount. A 20% bonus applies by default, which you can opt out of. Enter a promo code if available. After setting your deposit, the QR code and address appear. On your mobile wallet, select Tether on Ethereum, click Send, copy the address, and enter the deposit amount. You enter your amount in this section, and by default, a 20% bonus is applied to the amount you enter. You can use this option, or opt out of bonus. Also, if you have a promo code, you can enter it in this section to use it. After entering deposit amount, the QR code and address appear below. You go to your wallet on your mobile. Select Tether on Ethereum and click Send, copy address, enter amount, or scan QR code to deposit. After specifying your desired deposit amount, as you can see, the destination QR code and address will be displayed below. You go to your wallet, on your mobile, select the desired currency, which is Tether, on the Ethereum network, and click on the Send option. In the first section, you copy the destination address, and in the second section, you enter the amount you want to deposit, or you can easily scan the displayed QR code to complete the deposit process. Then, we click on the next option. Or you can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking this option and complete the deposit process. We click on the next option. On the next page, you will be shown the originator address, destination address, and overall circuit. After clicking Confirm and entering your password and wallet, the deposit operation was completed successfully. Our deposit request was successfully processed, and you can view the details of your transaction by clicking on the More Details option on the Etherscan website. We will return to the home page of our broker, and as you can see, the balance we requested to deposit is displayed in this section. To view the details of this transaction, you can click on this section to enter the Payment History section and view the complete details of your transaction in the upcoming videos. Stay with us for a tutorial on how to withdraw using this method. Goodbye.